List. Welcome to today's live broadcast. Today is Thursday, March 4th. Welcome aboard. Go ahead and pull us up on the Facebook page here so I can get the chat ready to go and keep up with y'all. Okay, good. Let me just pop it out here so I can keep track of everybody. All right, we're in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So again, this is Keck with Builderall, your information products, digital marketing, training, and support specialist. Today, we're going to talk about customizing the look of your calendar. That's right. So it's going to be a quick and easy Thursday training here. Just wanted to pass this on. Good morning, Mark. Welcome. Guten Tag. Yes, good morning, Ray from Tampa, sunny Tampa. Good to have everybody with us. Oh, there's our friend, Mr. Rooster, now that he's with us. He's our cue to rise and grind, grab our cup of joe or whatever makes you go, and let's get a little Builderall training in. All right, so I'm going to get right to it, friends. Go ahead and start my screen share here. All right, fantastic. And actually, I'm going to go with this one today. So one more time. Okay, so let's go ahead and share this. And this is what we're looking to do today. Let me bring over our dashboard and go to our booking calendars. Good morning, Carl. Welcome. So I'm going to pull up a booking calendar. If you missed the Tuesday night training, go check that out. Last Tuesday, I was the host on, you can find that on the Builderall USA YouTube channel. So check that out. And I went in deep with the booking calendar, but I kind of flew over the customization part. So I'm going to spend a little time on that today. So when you're at your dashboard for your calendars, here you're going to see how many calendars. Up here on the left, calendars, you click on that to access the calendars. And let's look at this one right here. Hey, good morning, Kurt. Yes, this is a beautiful interface on the booking calendar. Okay, so I didn't get into this too much Tuesday, so I just wanted to cover it. When you press customize there on the general settings, you get all this stuff. And the first thing I want to show you is that you can enter a logo. So I think I need to go back one more screen to get the logo. Let me see here. Yes. Okay. So logo right here, upload. And I'll show you how I made this. There's not a lot of space on the calendar for the logo. It's just kind of in the middle. So that's why I made mine block like this. And I'll show you real quick on Canva. Canva's a great free app. There's a paid version. I'm on the free version. So it's really neat. All you do, here's one of them here that I made, but we can go to create a design and create logo right here, logo. And then we're going to probably want to pick your background color here. And that's where our color picking tool is going to come in because we're going to use that for our calendar too. So before we do that, let's pull up the website we're going to color coordinate it with. Right here's my website. So I'm going to go ahead and take, let's see, for the logo, I'm going to go with this color right here of my button. So if you don't have this, this is a cool little app here called Color Pick Eyedropper. And this is just a Chrome extension. Okay, so you bring it over here, put your little X right on the color you want, press that, and then here's your code. Okay, so I'm going to just press Control Copy to copy that code because it is highlighted. And then it's kind of important to press the X here because otherwise it can kind of get a little funny. So, okay, so now we'll go back to that Canva here and I'll go into the color scheme here. Oh, there it is. And I will paste that color code, press enter, and it gives me the selection right here. So I'm going to press on that. And then I'm just going to go to text over here, text. And just find a text that you like. This one might look good here. See, it's free. Just click on it, and there it is. And I'll get rid of that. To get rid of, you highlight a box, you just press backspace. It'll go away, and it'll go away. And here we'll put Keck, okay? And then enter Lynn. Okie dokie. Okay, so that's that. And I might want to make it a little bigger. Yeah, I'm going to make it pretty big here because I want it to take up most of the logo space. So that looks pretty good. And you see these little lines here. These will tell you if you're, hey, good morning, Trevor. Grand rising to you, my friend. All right, you can see the little lines there tell me I got it just right in the middle. Okay, good. And that's all there is to it. Then you just hit the download button, download, and it's going to download here. And if I open it up, you see we got it right here. All right, let me drop Canva then. And so we're done with Canva. We'll get rid of that. So back to our wizard here. And then all you would have to do, and you see I made one almost exactly the same, to upload is just press upload and then just find the file on your computer here. Click open. Let's see if this one looks any bigger or better. Nope, actually the color's off a little bit. So, I'll just leave that for now because I kind of like that two-tone thing. So, okay, so that's good. Now we're going to go to the customize part. Okay, so press customize. Let's see, if unsaved changes in this step, if you close your browser, you lose the changes. Okay, continue editing. So nice reminder there. I like that good user experience there. So yeah, go ahead and save. So that's done. So now we'll go into the custom colors. And so right here, you've got these header background colors. You've got the primary color, the card background right here. This is the card, okay? This kind of card in the middle here that has the actual calendar on it. The main background is this here, okay, right here. And I'll just show you to manipulate if I change it to green. Okay, it's pretty obvious. So that's the background color there. What else? The card background, like I said, is this part. So I'll just change that so you can see that's there. And the primary color, I'm not sure where the primary color is going to go, but let's change it to a light blue and just see. Okay, so it picked up here and here. And the text color is obvious. It's just all the text color, although it's not all the text color because this is showing up in the primary color, this description here. So that's good to know. So maybe I want to take that back to a black. Or no, I guess that's not those colors. Okay, so that's not that. Text color. Now this modal overlay here, so far, I have not figured out what that is for. Okay, so I can change it to red there, and I don't see any red on the calendar. So I don't know what that's for. Maybe after you click in somehow. So now that we know what all the colors do, let's do a little changing around. So for this main background color, I think I'm going to go with this color right here from my website. So I just press my color picker tool there and bring my X over right there. And notice highlighted is already the color. So I'm just going to Control C for copy and go back to the wizard here and pull up this color. And one thing I have noticed, some of these programs, they have it like hex number, and all you do is drop the code in here. This actually has the number symbol in front of it. So when you paste, such as I'm doing here, oops, Control V to paste, when you're doing that, you will have to go back and put your number symbol in here. There it is. And press the little check button, and there we go. So now I've got the background color for the calendar matching this color on my website. Nice and congruent. Okay, and then let's see, for the card color, what color would we want the card? Let's see. We could go with a darker color. Let's go with a little darker color, such as this one right here. Okay, and it's already highlighted, so I'll just say Control C for copy. Go back, let me shut this, go back over here, and for the card, go ahead and do my Control V to paste, and I got to drop in that little hashtag there. Okay, so let's see there, and check mark. Okay, good. All right, I'm not sure I like that, but we'll keep going. Text color, let's just go with black on the text color. Way down here for a black. That's good. All right. So, okay, and this text shows up a little better now. I don't really like the color of this banner here, so I'm going to change that also, the header background color. So let me go back and pick up the color of this button that I made the logo, so it'll just be pretty seamless. So the color picker, let me get the logo color or the button color again and go back here to header. Again, Control V to paste, go in front and put your hashtag, hit the little check mark. Okay. All right, that's better. I like that. So now this matches here. It does make my name pop a little because it's a little different color. All right, and the only thing I'm not sure that I'm crazy about on this is the text color here for our description. And I'm not sure what color where that color is pulling from. Let's see. Is it the primary color? Let's see if we change the primary color, what we get there. No, that's just on these buttons. Right. Well, that's not exactly how I want it, but let's change the primary color back to, I forgot what I had it as. Okay, let me do the primary color for these buttons here. I want to contrast it with a lighter purple. That's what I'll do. So I'll use this main background color. So let me go back and pick it up here. Right here. Okay, and Control copy. We'll go back here and for the main background, and I'll say Control paste, Control V for paste. Come back with a little hashtag and hit my check mark. Okay, good. Oh, it was the primary color I was trying to change. All right, let me see. Primary Control. There we go. Nope, Control V. I already copied. Now I have to go back. Okay, let me get this again. All right. So, all right, Control C. Shut this, and then back here to Control V and pick up the hash mark. All right, press our little check. All right, that's better. I like that two-tone purple on purple there. Alrighty, and let's see what else we could change here. I think I've got it all. I haven't figured this modal out, like I said, so I'm just going to make this kind of a purple also in case it shows up somewhere and I'm unaware of it. So that's about it here. This text here, I would kind of like to have to pop a little better. But I'm not sure where to change that. I think I'm stuck with that, but that's okay. It's still definitely readable. Now I do want to point out down here that there are some predefined templates here also. So if we look here, you can see these different predefined color schemes. Okay. And as I press on these, you'll see the colors that are used for these schemes will go up here into the color palette. So that's a way to do it if you just want to find one that's pre-done or you don't have a color theme for your website yet. You might look here and find a color theme you like and use it for your calendar and the website and just go in and pick up these colors. Okay, so I'm going to reset. Oh, can you believe it? I reset and it reset the whole thing. But that's okay because it's super easy to do. Main background again. Go with this one. Control copy. Then I'll go back here with Control paste, which is V. And you got to put the hashtag in. Press the check mark. Okay, and there it is back for me. And the card. I'm going to change the card again. You're getting to see me do it twice because I reset it to show you how that worked. All right, so that and Control copy, and we'll go back here to Control V, hashtag in front, press our little check mark. Okay, that's better. And again, the primary color here, I want to change to that lighter purple. So, it's already got it down here for me. Well, that's nice. Once you start using some of these, apparently it's going to save them. So that is nice. Okay, so that's good. And okay, very good. All right, so you guys get the idea there. I'm going to go ahead and press save now. Press save. And that gets you done for that. So, hey, good morning, Don. Welcome. So just a quick little kind of fill in the gap from the Tuesday night training. This is where you customize the color and look of your calendar. Again, you want it to be congruent with your website. So when they go to it, they're feeling like they're on the same thing. It doesn't feel disjointed in any way. So logo here, custom colors here. Real simple. Play with it. I'm going to play with mine a little more. Not real happy with it, but I showed you guys enough to get the idea on how to customize that. And these are nice too. Usually these custom colors, the designers have put a little time into, so they're colors that go together and so on. So that's all I have for you this morning. Let me stop my screen share. Yes, there it is. So that's all I have for you this morning, friend. Just a short quickie for Thursday morning, how to customize the colors of your calendar, make it look just how you want it to be, make it look just as cool as you are. All right. So that's all I've got for today. Tomorrow will be Friday, so we'll have Q&A Friday. Yeah, I'll do that, Ray. Ray asked if I could take a minute to demonstrate the color picker. Sure. So let me do that. The color picker is this tool right here. And let's see, show you what it looks like here. Actually, let me go to, let me get out of this and let me go to the web store just to show you which one it is that I like. Web store, Chrome Web Store, and I think it's just called Color Picker. Color picker. There is a bunch of them. Let's see. The one I have is called Color Pick Eyedropper. So let me do that. Color Pick. Color Pick Eyedropper. Here it is right here. So yes, it's this one. It looks like this. You can see it's already added to mine, offered by vidzb.com. So check that out. And so that's the one I'm using. They're all pretty similar. Actually, the last one I had on there got taken. Oh, screen share. Uppity. Okay. Screen share. All right. There we go. Screen share. I show you one more time now. All right. So web store. Web store. Go to the Chrome Web Store, and it's called Color Pick Eyedropper. There is Color Pick Eyedropper, this one right here. And you see I've already added it. This is the one I have, offered by VidZB. So that's the one I use. There's a bunch of them. Like I was saying before, I've used some other ones, and actually Chrome ended up taking it off because it was messing it up. So Chrome said this is a dangerous one. So there's a bunch of them. Find one you like. This is the one I like. And let's see. So then when we go to back to our wizard here to customize, when we're doing a color, actually, let me not screw this up again. Let me just show you on this. So if we press on our color picker, let me drop it down here. When we open it up here, we're just going to drag, and there's this little X, this crosshair here. And it's going to show you in the middle of the big X to the lower right of it what color you're picking. Okay, if I get that little X over some white, it's going to be a white color I'm picking. Okay, so all you do is you get to where you want it, and then you left click, and then that's it. That's going to tell you this is your number right here, and this is the number where you can copy. And the only thing I was saying is you do have to add that little hashtag in the booking app when you're to the front of it, the number sign, when you're putting the color in. So that's all there is to it. You can pick any color you want. You say, okay, I want this gray color on my shirt, and there it is. So really, really cool tool. And it's highly recommended. I'm not very good at this, but it's recommended if you had a little notebook, like you pulled up your notes and you had a little note for each website. So for this website, I had a note, and it was just colors. And you could put your color palette in there and save all those different numbers from your color picker. So that's something to think about to help you stay on track with that. All right. Sorry about forgetting the screen share there. All right. And let's see. All right. You're welcome, Mia. And all right. So that's it. Hopefully that did it for you, Ray. It's a really cool tool, the color picker. Okay. With that, I'm going to say, be like Ray, okay? And throughout the week, write down questions that you might have for our Friday Q&A, and then on that parking lot page. And I'll tell you, we refer to this parking lot for taking notes. and we never really say why it's called parking lot. We call it a parking lot because it's just a parking lot for your thoughts and ideas, a place just to get them down on paper. So, so yeah, definitely look into that. I'm sorry, I was distracted reading the chat there. Totally lost my train of thought there, but that's okay. All right, so that's it. We're gonna cut it off right here, and I appreciate you guys being with me. The parking lot, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, so get yourself a parking lot page, which is just for notes to park your thoughts and your ideas and your idea questions. And then on Friday, when we do our live Q&A Zoom, Friday at 9 here, you have that, and you just go through and ask away. And between me and the rest of the folks in this group on that call, we'll do our best to get your questions answered. All right, friends. Well, build it with Builderall, and I'm going to say ciao for now. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning.